We've all heard about affiliate marketing, but now you can use AI and actually make a lot of money every day. It takes less than an hour to set this up, and some people are making up to $1,500 a day. This is pretty easy, and I don't know why more people aren't using it. We're going to make a clone of yourself, or you can use a pre-made clone. You're going to find a niche and create videos that give tips and ideas and promote whatever product or subscription that you're going to drive people to with a link in your bio. We all know that the more videos you create, the more views you get. But who has time to film everything? Members in the AI Club Society have been requesting something like this for months. So here you go. So the very first step is to generate an avatar. You can go to Hey Gen and you can create an avatar of either yourself or you can pick one that's already available. So for example, you can click one of these that are already created and you can just go ahead and enter your script and select a voice. And then you're creating a person that'll just essentially say whatever it is that you're programming it to say. Its facial expressions and voice will perfectly sync to the script that you're putting in there. It's actually really, really cool. So I've actually made one of myself, but I don't really like the voice that came in for me. So I go to 11 Labs and I'm going to personally train my voice in 11 Labs and then bring it into Hey Gen. That's really helpful because if you just do your voice here in Hey Gen, it comes out pretty monotone. It doesn't really have the technology that 11 Labs has yet, but it does integrate with 11 Labs, so that's great. So I would go over to 11 Labs and you do speak to speak and you'll train a voice on yourself. In here, you can change how exaggerated it sounds, how fast you talk, and it'll really mimic your exact voice. So that's step number 2 is I would go replicate my voice in 11 Labs and then pull it into Hey Gen. You can then either type out your script right here in Hey Gen, or you can go to ChatGPT and have multiple scripts created for you in there. You'll simply just go ahead and paste this script, and it's going to read the script as if it was you. It's going to read it in your voice, your tone, and your style, which is pretty insane, but also pretty awesome. And if it's not working out in 11 Labs, you can use one of the pre-made voices. I would suggest using one that's already in there and not trying to record your voice in Hey Gen because the pre-made voices work much better. And again, if you don't want to use your face, just use a pre-trained clone or avatar in Hey Gen and it'll work just as well.
Ever wondered which dog breeds are the ultimate best? Let's dive into the top 3. First up, the loyal Labrador Retriever, America's favorite for its friendly nature. Next, the German Shepherd, known for its intelligence and versatility in roles from service to protection. Last but not least, the French Bulldog, small in size but huge in personality, perfect for any family. There you have it, 3 breeds that make amazing companions. Which one would you choose to bring home?
So now we have our video. That was the Jam clone talking about dog breeds. But whatever you're going to make your video talk about, make sure it's relevant to the affiliate that you're using. So there's so many places out there that you can find affiliate links. Go to ChatGPT or AI Club Society GPT and type in, give me lists of places to sign up for affiliate links. Jam AI has an affiliate link if you check it out in our About section. There's something called CPA Grip that a lot of people like to use, and it's super easy. And this is one that literally just takes a few minutes. And what happens is it will allow you to search through offers that you can then get a custom domain for. And so they track how many clicks your link is getting, and then you're paid for those clicks. So people have these set up all over TikTok, Instagram. There's multiple other ones I'm going to show you in a second, but you can get lots of link clicks through creating some cool AI imagery, AI videos. Again, just creating stuff that people like to click on. And the more they click, the more you get paid. You can see here, people are actually making real money doing this type of thing. And it just takes a little bit of time to set up. Maybe put an hour on your calendar every day to just do something like this, and you'll over time see it start to add up. Affiliate networking is on the rise. It's something that is all over social media right now, and that's because it really works. So this is a fun way that you could create new content with AI to get that affiliate revenue coming in. Say you don't want to make a clone or use your face and you want to go faceless, there's another way that you can create multiple videos based on trending videos on YouTube or TikTok or wherever. So the first thing you'll do is you'll go to what's called Opus Clip, and that's this website right here. And all you would do is go ahead and get a link from YouTube. So we would grab, this one has 1.2 million views, so it's obviously pretty popular. Boomers getting tricked by AI on Facebook. So I'm just going to grab this link and go back to Opus Clip and paste it in and get free clips this way. So this will actually allow me to go ahead and get new clips for my own YouTube, again, for any of those affiliate links that we're trying to get. And you can pick how long you want them, what sort of keywords you're looking for. And it just takes a few minutes and you'll get a bunch of clips that you can then share.
So it feels very bot-like. So if that is true, then technology has created a corner of the internet where an AI is interacting with another AI, and they both think the other one is a human.
So that's what an Opus clip looks like. Again, it creates hundreds of these for you in very little time. And it's just a way to create more content, put more links out there, because affiliate marketing is all about getting more clicks and more views. And it makes not only the business more money, but it makes you more money as well. So to learn more about affiliate marketing, click some of the links down below. And I hope that you have so much fun using these AI tools to make some more money.